just want to come back to you. You're all so polite, nobody said anything. I just corrected all of your homework, and turns out you're all smarter than me. And I can't read the question. So question 13, that kind of came out really weird. I got it wrong because I didn't read the question. So I just want to fix it in case it confused anyone. You all seem to get it right and just not say anything, which is very, very polite of you all. So I'm just going to delete this because it's wrong. Okay, so what happened was I wrote 5 and it's minus 5. That's basically what happened. So minus 1 minus x greater than or equal to minus 5. Keeping x's on the left and numbers on the right, I have to get rid of the 1, which is a plus 1, and a plus 1 over here. So that leaves me with minus x greater than or equal to minus 4. There's an invisible 1. I'm going to divide by the minus 1 to cancel it, and divide by the minus 1 to balance. So I have the x isolated. The 2 minuses make a plus, which is 4. And then I need to switch the direction of that sign. So translated, that says x is less than or equal to 4. Okay, so come down here then, and sorry, now we'll fix this. Okay, so we're talking about greater than 1, which means 1 goes on the left, less than 4, which means 4 goes on the right, and this is already better. So insert my line. I'll put the 1 on the left here, and then 2, 3, 4. Back to the 1, is it included? It's not, because there's no or equal to, so I'm going to put, my circle on it. 2 is included, 3 is included. 4, is it included? Yes, it is, because there's an or equal to there, so yes, it is. And as far as, this is natural numbers, so nothing in between, so that's it. Okay, so that makes much more sense. Just so you're aware, and because I have you here, I went through each one of your folders, and I had a look at your homework. So a couple of things, I know it might seem awkward, but it's just so much easier for me. Make sure there's a title on the page, so either call it Compound Inequalities, which is what I'm calling this so that I can find it, or else use the date. So the 11th of January would have been the date for this work. And then if you could have one page for each piece of work, okay? It's just, I have there for the last 3 hours, all I've been doing is going in and out of folders on OneNote. So the quicker I can obviously find your work, the better. And so if you could have one page for each and make sure it's titled, okay? And what was the other thing I wanted to say to you? Oh yeah, so sometimes I write the comment if it's quick, but I'm also using audio feedback. So if you see a little audio file, click into it and have a listen. It's just something obviously I want. Now, it might well be to make sure you have a heading or separate pages, and I've already said that to you, but please make sure you go back in and check your homework after I've marked it. Don't just leave it go, because otherwise all that time I'm spending marking it is a waste of my time. Okay, so go in and check it. And if you have any questions, like some of you are putting questions in there, that's fine, but once I've gone in and checked it, I'm not going to go back in again. So if you have any questions, you need to kind of draw my attention to it. So either put it in the collaboration space, or if you don't want to do that, just send me an email or something saying, put a question in my folder there, or, could you go check my folder there? I put a question in based on Monday's homework. Okay, so yeah, I've no problem helping and checking as much as possible, but once I've gone in and checked through that homework, I'm not going to go back unless you tell me to. Alright, so apologies about the mistake. Apparently I just can't read the question, and that's the right answer. Alright, talk to you soon.